If you clicked on this video, it's not by accident. God brought you here. Right now, He is speaking directly to you. I know you have been gone through a lot. The pain, the tears, the years that feel completely lost. But hear me out. God will restore everything that has been lost. He is planning your comeback. And it's never too late, and it's not too late. Stay with me because this word is for you. God makes a powerful promise in Bible. Your God will restore everything that has been lost. The people had nothing left. The locust has been destroyed their harvest. They lost years, they lost hope. But God said, I will give it all back. Today, He is saying the exact same thing to you. The years the enemy stole from you, God is going to restore them all. You have carried so much pain. You have cried alone at night. You felt forgotten. You have been watched dream die. Someday you probably thought, it's over. I'm never gonna recover from this. But God is looking at you right now and saying, my child, I see your tears. I know every loss. And I'm stretching out my arms to restore you. This is not just a thought. This is a prophetic word for you. Your God will restore everything that has been lost. Your joy is coming back. Your peace is coming back. Your purpose is coming back. The Lord is declaring over you, what enemy meant to destroy, I will turn for you good. God is declaring over you, what enemy meant to destroy, I will restore for your good. Your greatest days are still ahead. God is ready to restore you, but He is asking one question. Are you ready? Let go of shame. Let go of regret. Start believing again. Start praying again. And take that step of faith today. Even if you feel weak, just say, yes, Lord. He will do the rest. If you're watching this with tears in your eyes, listen closely. God sees you. He loves you. He never left you. And right now He's speaking those words over your life. God, your God will restore everything that has been lost. God will restore everything that has been lost. Feel that, receive that. Your comeback starts today. Your God will restore everything that has been lost. This is your moment. If this word touched you, like this video, comment, I receive my restoration, and share it with someone who needs hope. You are deeply loved and your restoration is coming. I'll see you in the next one. Keep trusting and God bless you.